In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your American Express Platinum Travel Credit Card points easily and smartly. Step 1. Log in to your Amex account. Go to americanexpress.com and log in with your credentials. You can also use the Amex mobile app. Step 2. Check your reward points. On the homepage, you'll see your membership rewards or travel points balance. Click on it to go to the rewards dashboard. Step 3. Choose how to redeem. Here are the main ways to redeem Amex Platinum Travel Points. Book travel. Go to the Amex travel portal, choose flights or hotels, and pay using your points. Gift vouchers. Redeem for gift cards from top brands like Amazon, Flipkart, and more. Shop with points. Use points directly at partnered merchants or during checkout on sites like Amazon. Statement credit, if available. You can sometimes convert points to offset charges on your card. Best value tip. You get the highest value when you redeem points for travel bookings or gift vouchers, especially from Amex partner brands. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem your Amex Platinum Travel Card points the smart way. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more personal finance tips.